I think we had the 22 law schools historically because African Americans were not able to get into the majority law schools, and so states would institute HBCU law schools for the purpose of educating African American lawyers initially. And so, as schools began to be integrated, many of the HBCU law schools did not survive. For those who have survived, they have been committed to, specifically as NCCU is, the mission of making sure that we are educating lawyers who are going to represent the disenfranchised and unrepresented in the world. And so, fortunately for us, our students have been really, really good at furthering that mission. If you look at our students and their history, we have so many students who go back to underserved communities throughout the state of North Carolina and also nationally, but primarily because we're a state school, many of them go back to the more underserved areas of North Carolina and practice. And it's a wonderful service. It's one of the things that make HBCU law schools unique, the particular mission. And I think also they are able to take students who the law community feels would not be able to survive in law schools. Many of the majority law schools will look at LSATs, and that's the primary criteria with the GPA in terms of how they admit students. We look beyond the numbers, and we look at the individual, the work they've done, the commitments that they have shown in the past. And we're able to do that at an HBCU because we don't have to be bound by only the raw numbers. And we have found that many students who would not have been admitted to a majority law school come here, do quite well, pass the bar, and become wonderful lawyers.